Hi my people, today we're going to do 10 steps on how to get our abs. You're going to achieve your 6-pack abs plus burning fats. We have 3 muscles on our core. That's the rectus muscle, the oblique, and the serratus muscle. So we're going to take 15 minutes just to achieve our abs. So here we go. Number one are the V-abs. On the V-abs, I'm going to show you how to do V-abs. Go down. That's our V-up. So you do 12 reps for 45 seconds. You rest for 10 minutes. Then you do your second and third reps. So we go to our second workout, which is the flutter kicks. With the flutter kicks, we go down still. We spread our arms. Then we start kicking. 1, 2, 3. That's our kicks. So you do 12 reps for 25 or 30 to 45 seconds. You rest for another 10 seconds. We do our next workout. Our third workout is the leg raises. With the leg raises, almost similar to our flutter kicks, but we raise our 2 legs at a time. So we go. So our next workout is going to be the jackknife. That's the jackknife. The jackknife, you go down, spread our arms, your 2 legs. So we go 1, 2. So that's our jackknife. You ensure that you hit your core hard to achieve your 6-pack abs. Remember, when you do workouts on abs, you are burning fats too, and you're maintaining your weight and flexibility. So our next workout is going to be the bicycle crunches. With the bicycle crunches, almost similar to our jackknife, but with the bicycle crunches, we go on our back, we put our arms behind our head, we raise our legs. Raise our legs, then you hit your elbow on an opposite leg. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our next workout is going to be elbow planks. With the elbow planks, you are achieving the whole core. You're working out on the whole core. That's the 3 muscles. So with the elbow planks, you go down on our elbows and you make sure you're straight. You can spread your legs or put them together just for balance. So you make sure you're straight. So you plank for 1 whole minute. You can crunch or you can stay stiff. So we go 1, 2. That's the one side, and we got the other side. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So our next workout is going to be the reverse crunch kicks. Remember, we're still working out on our 6-pack abs. Just your body weight and the ground. So we go. Reverse crunch kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we are going to our next workout, which is the mountain climbers. Very simple but very effective for your 6-pack abs. You go to the gym, you carry weight, you're looking for the 6-pack abs and you still don't get them, but you can still get them at home. So we do our mountain climbers. Very simple. So we go 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. That is the mountain climbers. Very simple, very effective to achieve your 6-pack abs. Good. So we go to our next workout, which is going to be the heel touch. Heel touch is very simple, very effective. You burn it, achieve your 6-pack abs. So we go down, we touch our heels very fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Our next work is going to be the bicycle ride. You don't need the real bicycle. You don't need to go to the gym. You can use your body as the bicycle. Very simple. You put your hand behind your head and you go 1, 2, 3, That's the normal bicycle ride. So that's our 6-pack abs home workout. Remember, you don't need the gym, just your body weight and the ground. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dr. Sinja Workout, and don't forget to share, comment, and thank you very much for watching. God bless.